Hi guys, in this tutorial we'll create tunnel road like this. As you can see, it looks realistic. Okay, using the Unreal Engine 5.8. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, open the editor. Select new project. Okay, select games and go here to vehicle template and hit create. Okay, now go here to file, select new level, set basic level and hit create. After creating this level, delete this floor and go right here, create landscape. After creating this landscape, wanna save all. Rename this project, this level, what do you want, and hit save. After that, close the editor and go right here to this file. You can get the project file in the description. Okay, extract it. After extracting this project file, this tunnel collection for number 1. Now, let's add the new tab. Okay, in this tab we have to go here, documents, and new projects. Go here, select content, and paste this one right here. Now, let's move to the next step, is to return here to my project and select my project. And close this one. Okay, select content drawer and title in this, the name of the level, and go right here to landscape mode, and I go to manage, click this plus button, wanna create landscape edit layer splines, hit select. Once it's selected, we'll use this one for spline. Okay, before we do that, we have to save all and return here to selection mode and go here to content drawer. As you can see, you have to go here and enable this static mesh. If you don't have, this is how to enable it. Go here to these 3 lines. Okay, it's disabled. We have to go here and enable the static mesh. Disable, enable. After that, select all of this and enable Nanite. I think Nanite is enabled. If not enabled, enable it by default. Okay. Disable the static mesh. Return here to tunnel collection. Go here to meshes. Wanna use one of those meshes here. Okay, how to use this? You have to go here, landscape. After changing the speed of the camera, go right here. Okay, select splines and go here to spline. Press Ctrl and hold it once pressed, create first point, second point here. Okay. Now, what I want to do, to go here, once it's selected like this, go here to spline meshes. In spline meshes, press this plus button and one click right here and click here. And let's see. Okay, as you can see, this is my tunnel. It's created by default. It looks very nice. And now, select this point and press E to rotate it. You can rotate it and make it like this. Make it very nice. Let's create another point. Press W, select this one, press W, press Ctrl, and add it here. Add it like this. Okay, I want to rotate. Press E and press W select it, control, and we are done. Now, as you can see, our road tunnel, we are finished creating our road tunnel. Okay, let's save all and return here to selection mode. Delete this player start, and I want to add it in this place. Basic player start and hit play. This is my car, as you can see. Okay, it's fine. But there is problem of the collision. It works the collision. So, okay, it works. Okay, let's return here to content drawer. Okay, we can have a segment, simple segment like this to create a simple road without a tunnel using the same type of spline, same thing. Or you have this type of tunnel, another type of tunnel. You can see it like this. This is the second type tunnel. And let's adjust the speed of the camera. But I prefer this road, as you can see. Okay, you can adjust it and add spline like this. And let's see what's this. Okay, inside the tunnel you can get this one. Let's see what's this. Okay, you can add this inside your tunnel by item, but I prefer this type of tunnel. It looks very nice, as you can see. This is my I'm missing the player start. Let's delete this. Okay. This is my QR. Okay, let's make a new tower. Okay. What's this? Okay, this is all for this tutorial, guys. As you can see, you can create a magnific road like this. It's fine. Okay. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This all for this tutorial.